Good morning. Last night I slept like shit. I swear when I just park on the side of the road, I have a shit sleep because I just feel like someone's gonna catch me, pretty much. But yeah, last night I waited till dark and then went down to the wharf because my grandma said that when it's all like lit up and that kind of thing, it's really pretty, which definitely was. And then yeah, I just parked up for the night, watched maths and then went to sleep. And this morning I got up, just chilled by the beach for a bit to wake up because yeah, wasn't a good sleep. And now I'm starting my drive to Portland, which is only an hour from Port Fairy, but I've come to this place called the Crags first because it's on the way. So yeah, I'm almost there. I've just made it up to the viewing bit. It looks pretty cool. I'll show you. Seen as though there's no one around, again, no one, and there's no sign saying no drones, might put up the drone. Kind of forgot that I had the drone, and yeah, you can't really do it many places along the Great Ocean Road and that kind of thing and in national parks, so haven't been able to use it yet, so I might use it. I have made it to Portland. It was about an hour drive from Port Fairy, and I didn't really know where I was going, so I just followed the signs to the lighthouse, which is right there. I don't know if the sun's in the way, but again, only one here. No one around, completely empty. But yeah, it looks like a pretty cool town. There's a few things to see, so just gonna drive around, see the sights, probably have some breakfast-ish brunch, I guess. And then yeah, very close to South Australia as well, which is so exciting. It is super, super windy up here, but I've come to a place in Cape Bridgewater, I think that's the town, and it's called Petrified Forest. I feel like I'm in the desert, like desert on this side, water on that side. How weird is this? It's so cool. They're just like rock formations. This is amazing. I just can't get over how cool this place is. Like, how does something like that happen? It's amazing. And it's just like the water's right there. What the hell? So cool. I just walked up the top of this little hill that kind of looks out over the Petrified Forest. And I just kind of like, just took a minute appreciate, because it's like when you see things like this, you just think of like, I'm just so lucky to be on this trip and to finally be traveling again and doing what I love. Hits in the feels, you know? Welcome back to Car Chats with Dayna. What is going on with my hair? Anyway, so I just stopped off at a place called Portland Strawberries, as I thought they had strawberry picking. But I don't think they're doing strawberry picking because the whole strawberry patch is empty. Anyway, I picked up some jam for Casey and I got some strawberry sorbet. So I thought I would try it. That all like vegan ice cream, then they had like normal strawberry ice cream, but I much prefer sorbet. It's quite a lot of it. Oh, that just went everywhere. Lucky it's only ice. It literally just tastes like frozen strawberries. What's in this? Strawberry, sugar, lemon juice, and egg white. Cool. Although I need some proper food, I'm so hungry. I've just come up to this lookout called Rook Lookout, so you can see the whole lake. Pretty cool, but it's still really windy. So I've driven out of the town of Mount Gambier because I'm going to park in a free camp tonight that's along the coast. And I thought while I'm down here, I might Google, see what's around. Apparently up here somewhere, like I've just got to find it, is the most southerly point of South Australia. So I thought that would be really cool to see. And then there's a fairy penguin colony somewhere along here. I just got to go find them. I did it. I see the sign. Oh, it's more. It's a chair. Woo! South Australia's southernmost point. Woohoo! I'm very far from home because home's about 1,400 kilometers. Is that? Oh, they must have like a other pole. Cool. Must be the wrong time of year for fairy penguins. Maybe that's their rock over there. There's some birds up there. It's pretty cool. So I've just driven around to one of the campgrounds. I was going to stay up, I'm not sure yet. But this water behind me comes from Ewan Ponds, where I'm going to go tomorrow, and it's fresh water. You know, it sounds really weird, but I just like to taste the water to see if it was salt or fresh. And it's fresh water. So I'm going to go for a swim. It's fucking freezing. I've got my swimmers on underneath, and I'm just going to go in. Why not? And I don't even have a towel with me. Zero regrets. That was amazing. It was so nice. It wasn't even that cold. What a banger. Except this wind is very annoying now.